Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lailatul Hasanah. My ID number 2519X005. A master student in Geography Education from Geography, Faculty of Social Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. On this occasion, I will present my final exam on geography research methods, specifically formulation of background and issues in geography education research. Respected Professor Dr. Dedi Herman SPD MP and Dr. Bayu Wijayanto MPD, I was able to complete this exam well. I hope this exam can be useful for anyone who watches my video. Introduction. Geography education research is a systematic study of geosphere phenomena, atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, anthroposphere, in the context of learning aiming to develop spatial knowledge, skill, and environmental awareness. The background and problem formulation and the foundation of the research. Will the background explain the context? Will the problem formulation identify the gaps to be solved? To understand how to formulate both in detail with specific examples from geography education. To help research products high quality, focus, and impactful research. Definition of research background. Background is an initial explanation of the context of the observed phenomena, including facts, events, or conditions in the geosphere, with the main question, what happened and where did it happen? In geography education, the background highlights learning issues such as a lack of student motivation due to limits media or boring memorization material. Functions provides a basis for identifying problems, so the gap between theory and practice, and establishes the relevance of the research. How to formulate background? Step 1. Identify relevant geosphere phenomena. Example, climate change, urbanization, and relate them to educational issue. Example, impacts on curriculum. Step 2. Collect preliminary data from field observation, literature, or previous research to explain the gaps, the science versus the science. Step 3. Explain spatial and ecological aspects, including human-environmental interaction. Step 4. Limit the scope to focus example-specific regions such as Jakarta. Example of background in geography education. Example, in a high school, geography learning is ineffective due to limited learning resources, only workbooks and textbooks, causing students to become bored, play with their cell phones, and not focus on materials such as spatial patterns. This background highlights a gap. Students self-develop an attitude of caring for the environment, but in practice, learning is not interactive enough. Adaptation for research on urbanization explain how cultural change in large city affects students' understanding of the anthroposphere. Definition of problem statement. A problem statement is a specific question that identifies the gap between expectation and reality, based on geographical theory with the following minimum elements: what, phenomena, where location, and why cause. In geography education, the focus is on learning issues such as students' low understanding of natural disaster of climate change. Functions, tugas data collection, methods, and research conclusion. It must be clear, concise, and valuable. Type of problem formulation, use the table for comparison. Type description and example in geography education. Type descriptive, description, present a complete description of a problem. Example, how is geography taught in high school in Garut's Regency? Type comparative, deskripsi, compares variable or religions. Example, what are the difference between forest destruction in Kalimantan and Sumatra and their impacts on the curriculum? Type associative, description identifies the influence of relationship between variables. Example, what is the relationship between population density and poverty on Java Island in learning? How to formulate a problem. Step 1. Based on the background, identify gaps from sources as previous research, fieldwork, or map data. Step 2. Formulate a clear question including variable and relationships. Step 3. Answer is feasible, interesting, and appropriate for the research qualification. Next is with good criteria. And step 4. Break down the research title into guiding question for the data. Example of research question in geography education. Example 1. How does land use change relates to flooding in Jakarta, and how does this affect junior high school students learning on geography? Example 2. What factor must influence students for understanding of landslides in Puncak Bogor in geography lessons? Example 3. How can the use of visual media improve students' attitudes towards geography material in school? Background and problem formulation. Background as a basic provides context for identifying gaps, which are then formulated into research question. Integration, problem formulation is a detailed description of the background within the objective and methods of the research. In geography education, background of the likes of media, formulation, how does interactive media affect learning motivation? Common mistake, the formulation is not in line with the background, causing the research to lack focus. And that's all. Thank you.